Hello guys, this is Sayed Raza. What's good? Today we are going to be talking about glass structure, glass wall. It's also called curtain wall, and also we're going to be talking about glass roof. Let's say this is just an example. I'm going to be showing you and walking you through uh, some glass structure. So first of all, what I always suggest you to go to is to go to level 1 here and see how many levels you've got. Level 1 and level 2. Go to your any elevation, east, north, west, south, any of them. So here it shows that from my level 1 to level 2 the distance is 3 meters. If I wanted to change it, I can also change it. Let's say 3.5 meters height. Click on the 3 twice and then 3.5, enter. It shows you the level. It shows you the height of the level. Now it's showing 4, but it's actually 3.5. So I'm just gonna keep it 3 because I always use on 3. It does not really matter, to be honest, in this example. If I want to change the parameters, I can go to manage and project units, and I can change it from meters to feet or centimeters or decimeters, whatever. I have talked about it in my previous video. If you want to look at it, you can go ahead and take a look. So let's get started. I'm gonna go to east. Everything is okay, looks good. Go to your architecture panel, go to wall, and select the curtain wall, or let's say for in this example I'm going to be doing storefront. My structure is going to be rectangular. This is the walls actually. I'm looking at it from the top view, which is called plan. Let's take a look at it in the 3D view. That's how my structure is going to be looking like. What I always do, I keep it on my level. Click on the wall, go to your properties panel, see top constraint of the wall is unconnected, connected to level 2. In this case, if you have multiple levels, you can select whatever level you want to. Okay, level 2. We'll be doing the same thing with the third wall and the last wall, the fourth one. So here we go. This is what my structure is going to be looking like. Let's say if I want to design a roof on top of it, I'm going to be selecting roof. Actually, you know what? Let's work on level 1, not in the 3D mode. Go to roof, roof by footprint. Uh, my roof is going to be on level 2. Obviously, if I have level 3, I'm going to be selecting level 3. But in this case, I have level 2, so keep it on level 2. Yes, select the walls. It's simple. And boom, here we go. That's how your roof is going to be looking like. Let's say if I want to change the material of the roof. This is apparently shingles, which looks like bricks, but it's shingles. Let's change it to another material. Click on the roof, it turns blue. Go to edit type. What I always suggest to make a duplicate of the roof, call it roof, press OK. Sorry about that. Roof 1. I already have a roof selected already, so roof 1. Go to structures and edit. There is a tiny box around here. When you click on the structure 1, click on that tiny box over here and select other materials. In this case, I'm going to be selecting glass. I already created a glass material, which I called it glass roof, I guess. Let's create another one. Here we go, glass roof. How do you duplicate it? Right click on the material. I always suggest you guys to make a duplicate of the material. Right click on it and duplicate, and call it glass roof 1. Let's say, press enter, select it. The color is like bluish color, transparency is 75, and you can play around with a bunch of other options. I'm going to be talking about it further. Okay, press OK and OK. Here we go. Your roof is glass now. But if I want to change the look of the roof, click on the roof, edit footprints because you can modify it. uh, click on any of these lines, which are the roof lines basically. Click on it, uncheck define slopes, keep the overhang 0, and do with the second one, do the same thing with the second one, and oops, edit footprint, do the same thing with the third one. So I'm gonna keep the fourth one as it is and see how my roof looks like when I press OK. Here we go, it's on a slope now. Why is it this slope? Why? Uh, let's say the angle is like 30 degrees here. Why is it 30 degrees? Because if you click on the roof again and edit footprint and select the fourth one, it says define slope, and I'm pretty sure the angle is 30 degrees. Here we go, yeah, 30 degrees. I can change the angle. If I click on it, let's say if I do 12 degrees, press enter, press OK, and now you see the slope is down a little bit more. Click on the roof again, edit footprint, uh, click on this line off the roof and uncheck define slopes, press OK, and now your roof is flat. If I wanted to give it like slightly, slope, select the roof. In this case it's really hard to select the roof because everything is made of glass apparently. Click on the roof, edit footprint, click on any of these lines and define a slope of 5 degrees. Press enter. My bad, sorry. Press OK, and now you have a slope of 5 degrees. I also can attach the wall to the roof. Let's try that. Click the wall. It has to be the complete wall, not just the mullions. These are called the mullions. The white horizontal and vertical lines are called mullions. Don't select the mullions, select the complete wall. Let's try attach top base. Okay, here we go. So select the wall and attach the top base. When you attach the top base, Revit is going to ask you where do you want to attach it. To this roof. Click the elements, and here we go, it's attached. We'll be doing the same thing to other walls. Here we go. And the third one, attach the top base to the roof. And here we go. This is how our structure is going to be looking like. What if I want to give it a floor? A floor is made of, let's say, concrete, or let's try different options. So I'm going to delete the roof. Actually, you know what, I'm going to leave it and go to level 1. On level 1 you cannot see the roof, which is good. Let's try the floor architecture, edit type, duplicate, call it my floor, or floor level 1, press OK, and it's rectangular, so I'm going to be doing rectangular floor, obviously. Extend it a little bit until here. Look at it in 3D. Here we go. That's how my structure is going to look like. Should you have any question, please do not forget to comment, and I'll be happy.